in crypto, diba? Trust but verify.
Red flags for me, usually like on a personal level when I was looking into something that I want to trade or invest in, usually the team, we check the team, the founders, we check the community, do a background check on the team, of course. Are they undoxed? Are they doxed? Diba? Because sometimes even a very, very strong team full of PhDs could be scammers. Diba? BSV, for example, huge market cap, na top 10 pa yan na crypto, BSV, Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. Turns out the founder is a fraud. Diba? Or SBF. Bago natin Genius, sobrang galing na trader with all that. Turns out he's a fraud. So I think the red flags would be for me is, checking the team, checking the fundamentals, ano ba yung pinapakako nila. Usually, a red flag is over-promising. Okay? Like, I promise you, 100x yung pera mo. Okay, di yan totoo. Scammer na agad yan. Okay, next month, or month on month, bibigyan kita ng 10% interest. Scam. If it's too good to be true.